In this product video, we are demonstrating a product called Wire Wheel Cleaner. Wire Wheel Cleaner is a concentrate, acid-based formula that works great on cleaning wheels and brightening aluminum. While the most common use for this product is in detailing wheels with a clear coat, it can also be used for other aluminum cleaning projects. The aluminum boat in the video is being sprayed with Wire Wheel Cleaner diluted 1:1. 1 part water, 1 part chemical. When using this product, be sure to wear proper safety equipment like safety glasses and rubber gloves. Do not let this product come in contact with your skin. This product works so well, all you need to do is spray on and pressure wash off. No wiping or scrubbing necessary. Wire Wheel Cleaner is an excellent aluminum brightener that will also work great on pontoon boats, along with the hulls of fiberglass finished boats to remove the grime that collects from sitting in the water. Wire Wheel Cleaner is affordably priced and comes in 1 gallon, 5 gallon, or 55-gallon drum sizes. Visit your local O'Reilly Auto Parts to order Wire Wheel Cleaner and get your boat looking fresh again.